hydrogen spectra, limiting lines. We know that in hydrogen spectra, different spectral series are there. Those are Lyman, Balmer, Paschen, Brackett and Pfund. So in those different lines will come in the spectra. So those lines, the shortest and longest wavelengths, if you study those shortest wavelength lines, we are calling as limiting lines. So before going to the topic, first observe this diagram. This is about Lyman, Balmer, Paschen series. So here in this lesson I am going to explain about only these three series. For example, if you observe this diagram, just small recap. In Lyman series, if electron jumps in hydrogen atom from second energy state to first energy state, then you will get a line in spectra, that is first line in Lyman series. So similarly, if electron jumps from third to first, that is second line, or next fourth to, next fifth to, from any excited state to first energy state, if you get electron, then we will get the lines in Lyman series. Similarly, if electron jumps from any higher energy state to second energy state, that is Balmer series. For example, if electron jumps from only third to second, that is first line in Balmer. Similarly, if electron jumps from higher and infinite energy state to second energy state, that is last line, that is limiting line. Similarly, in Paschen, this is the first line. If electron jumps from fourth to third, or if n equals to infinity to n equals to third energy state, if electron jumps in hydrogen atom, then you will get the lines in Paschen series. Let us see clearly once again. The line which is shown by arrow, that is first line, that is longest wavelength. Here electron jumps from second to first. In the Lyman series, this is the lowest energy. So low energy means more wavelength, inversely proportional frequency and wavelength. So less energy, more wavelength, less frequency, more wavelength. Next, this one, second line. Similarly, the last one, if electron jumps from higher, so here is showing from 6, but actually it is from infinity to that, then we are calling that is as a limiting line. So limiting line is having more energy, more frequency in the sense shortest wavelength. Similarly, in Balmer series, the first line, that is longest wavelength line. Similarly, last one, if electron jumps from n equals to infinity to n equals to second energy state, then that is limiting line in Balmer series, that is shortest wavelength. Similarly, in Paschen also. Now let us analyze Lyman series. So in Lyman series, first line we are getting what is the wavelength of the first line emitted in Lyman series from hydrogen atom. So for that we know the formula, 1 by lambda equals to r into 1 by n1 square minus 1 by n2 square. So now here if you substitute n1 equals to 1 and n2 equals to 2, that belongs to Lyman series, and as well as it is the first line in Lyman series. So for first line, n1 1 and n2 should be 2. So if you substitute that 1 and 2 values in the equation, then 1 by lambda 1, here I am indicating with 1 for the first line, so r as usual. So 1 by n1 square value nothing but n1 value 1, so that is why only 1 by 1 square 1 minus 1 by n2 square, instead of n2 2, so 2 square nothing but 4, so 1 by 4. So if you simplify in bracket, so outside the bracket r into, we can do LCM, remaining 4 minus 1 nothing but 1 by lambda 1 equals to 3r by 4. So try to remember this formula for Lyman series, useful to solve some problems directly by using this formula. Next, if you want to get the lambda one value. So finally this is the formula. Now if you substitute r value, then you will get exact lambda 1 value. So if you substitute 4 by 3r, r value we know that 10.97 into 10 to the power of 6 or 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7, anything fine. So if you substitute and simplify, you will get 1216 angstrom unit. That is the first line wavelength in Lyman series. Similarly, if you want to get the second line wavelength, so second line means in Lyman series electron should jump from n equals to third energy state to n equals to first energy state, nothing but n1 value 1 as usual for Lyman series, but here for second line n2 value should be 3. So n1 1, n2 3. If you substitute both the values in the formula, then it will be 1 by lambda 2. Here I am indicating 2 suffix, reason it is a second line. So it is equals to r into 1 by, instead of n1 1, so 1 square, minus 1 by, instead of n2 3, so 3 square. So if you simplify further, 1 by lambda 2 equals to r into 1 minus 1 by 9, 3 square value 9, so that is why 1 by 9. So afterwards in bracket if you do LCM, so numerator will be 9 minus 1, nothing but 8 by 9. So 8r by 9 finally, that is 1 by lambda 2. So lambda 2 equals to 9 by 8r. So now if you substitute r value 10.97 into 10 to the power of 6, and if you simplify, you will get the value, that is 1026 angstrom unit. Similarly last line, so nothing but limiting line. So for the limiting line, electron should jump from n2 equals to infinity to n1 equals to first energy state in Lyman. So that is nothing but shortest wavelength, so n1 value 1 and n2 value infinity. If you substitute both the values, 1 by lambda infinity equals to r into 1 by 1 square minus 1 by infinity. So here 1 by infinity square, so anything, 1 by infinity nothing but 0, so only which is equals to r. So therefore we want wavelength of limiting line, so that is why lambda infinity equals to 1 by r. If you substitute that value and if you simplify, you will get, that is, so I think same thing came. So if you simplify, you will get 912 angstrom unit. Next, similarly if you do for Balmer series, so for Balmer series first line, so according to Balmer, if electron jumps from n2 equals to third energy state to, or third or any other energy state, if electron jumps to second energy state, you will get the lines in visible region, that is Balmer series. So in that first line means electron should jump from n2 equals to 3 to n1 equals to 2. So for the first line, n1 2 and n2 3. So now if we substitute 1 by lambda 1 or lambda 1 inverse equals to r into, so instead of n1 2, so 2 square minus 1 by, instead of n2 3, 3 square, so 2 square nothing but 4, 3 square nothing but 9. So the equation will be like this. Now if you go for LCM, so LCM of 4 and 9 is 36, so that is why denominator 36, so numerator will be 9 minus 4, so nothing but 5r by 36, that is 1 by lambda 1 or lambda 1 inverse. So if you want lambda 1, that is wavelength of first line in Balmer series, so that is 36 by 5r. If you substitute r value in this equation, you will get exact number for the wavelength. So that is lambda 1 equals to 36 by, here I said already, so instead of, so here 0 missed, so actually 1.097 into 10 to the power of 7. So if you substitute, then and after simplification you will get lambda 1 equals to 6563 angstrom unit. Next, similarly if you substitute for limiting line n1 equals to 2 and n2 equals to infinity. So here I skipped second line, so directly limiting line. So if electron jumps from n2 equals to infinity to n1 equals to 2, then you will get the limiting line in Balmer series. So if you substitute those values, n1 2 square and n2 infinity square, so simply it will be r into 1 by 4. Now lambda infinity nothing but 4 by r. If you substitute r value, so then it will be lambda infinity equals to 4 by 1.097 into 10 to the power 7, here 0 missed, so equals to, if you simplify, so the final answer is the correct, that is 3637 angstrom unit. Now similarly we can get the first line and limiting line for Paschen series. So the same method you can apply by substituting. So let me explain Paschen series. If electron jumps from n2 equals to 4 or any other energy state to n1 equals to third energy state, you will get the lines in Paschen series. So Paschen series first line means electron should jump from, in a hydrogen atom, fourth energy state to third energy state. Similarly, if you want limiting line, that electron should jump from n2 equals to infinity to n1 equals to third energy state, then you will get first line and as well as limiting line. So here I am giving directly those values, so try to solve it. So with these last two examples easily you can calculate. Thank you.